Because our relationship is formal. Our relationship with the Holy Name is formal, and it's established by putting our hands on the beads and moving around the beads and counting. Sankhya. 1, 2, 3, so many rounds. It's like when a man marries a woman, he slips a ring on her finger, and then he says, "You're my wife," or "Now you're married." So that ring is a symbol that there's a bondage. But if it's only a ring on the finger, then throughout the day you're not thinking of him, or remembering him, or trying to remember him. You may be doing so many things, then there's not much relationship. It's only a ring. So if we only slip our hands around the beads for 2 hours, and then we have a 2-hour relationship with the Holy Name, and then the rest of the time it's relationship with everything but the Holy Name, then we've forgotten the Lord. And the Lord for us is the Holy Name. There's no other Lord for us. Krishna means His holy name. Radha means her holy name. This is it. There's no other. We have no other introduction to Radha and Krishna but their holy names. We have no other relationship with Radha and Krishna but their holy names. We have no other connection with Radha and Krishna except their holy names. And we have no other service to Radha and Krishna but their holy names. And our love, or whatever, our developing of love, is based on our repetition of the holy names of Krishna and Radha in the Mahamantra. So it's like you have a relationship with your husband, so you lie in bed and you embrace him, and that's for 1 hour, then you fall asleep. And then you get up and he goes his way and you go your way. So you're physically in contact for 1 hour, and then after that you forget. So we're like with Krishna for 2 hours, Hare Krishna, really trying Hare Krishna. Then after that, everything's shut down. Beads are shut down, hand is shut down, tongue is shut down, mind is shut down, ears are shut down.